1942 year. While the world was at war, another battle was fought in the kitchens. A battle for survival. When shops were empty, people turned to nature and ingenuity. These recipes weren't about taste, they were about staying alive. Today, we restore the history. 3 dishes that fueled the resilience of a generation. Let's look at how they did it. Recipe 1, the Nettle Borsch. In the spring of 42, nettles were a miracle. They have more vitamin C than lemons and were completely free. No meat, no fat. Just water, wild onions, and nettles. The trick was to add a drop of vinegar to keep it green and slightly sour. It tastes like spring and desperation, but it kept thousands of people going. Recipe 2, potato peel patties. Nothing was wasted. Every peel was a source of starch and energy. These were called Miss Haney or survival cakes. Mixed with a bit of flour or bran, they were fried until golden to hide the bitter taste. It's hard to believe today, but back then, this was a feast. Recipe 3, carrot coffee. War took away simple pleasures, like real tea or coffee. People had to find substitutes. Grated carrots were roasted until almost black. It smells sweet and slightly burnt, providing a much-needed psychological comfort. A warm drink was often the only way to stay warm in unheated homes. These dishes are symbols of human spirit. They remind us that history isn't just in books, it's on our plates. Which recipe surprised you most? Ask your grandparents about their survival recipes. Share their stories in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to keep the history alive.